Imagine a world where robots not only follow commands but actually learn, adapt, and respond like humans. That world is no longer science fiction. It's here, and it's embodied in a single name: Helix. Helix is not just another humanoid robot. It's a breakthrough in artificial intelligence and robotics that is redefining what machines are capable of. Created by Figure AI, Helix represents the merging of cutting-edge vision, language, and action into one astonishing system that mirrors human cognitive and physical behavior. What makes Helix truly mind-blowing is its ability to process and understand its environment with human-level nuance. At its core, Helix uses a vision-language-action model. This allows it to not only see and interpret what's happening around it, but also to understand spoken instructions, reason through tasks, and execute physical movements, all in real time. It doesn't rely on pre-programmed responses like traditional robots. Instead, it learns through data and interaction, developing skills much like a human child would through observation and repetition. Helix can recognize complex visual scenes, understand contextual language, and perform actions accordingly. For example, when asked to set the table, Helix doesn't just place objects randomly. It recognizes the objects, understands their appropriate placement, and performs the task with dexterity and precision. This isn't automation. This is intelligence in motion. What's even more revolutionary is Helix's ability to learn continuously. Unlike static systems, Helix improves with every interaction. It can adapt to new environments, learn from mistakes, and generalize knowledge across different scenarios. This means Helix can move from one home to another or from a home to a workplace and still function efficiently without being reprogrammed. It's this flexibility and adaptability that sets Helix apart from every robot that has come before it. Another extraordinary feature of Helix is its collaboration capability. Helix can work alongside other robots and humans seamlessly. It understands not just commands but context, tone, and nonverbal cues. This allows it to participate in teamwork, adjusting its behavior dynamically based on the roles and actions of others. In an office, Helix can help with repetitive administrative tasks. In a warehouse, it can move inventory in sync with other units. In a home, it can assist the elderly or disabled with empathy and awareness. Helix's physical capabilities are just as impressive as its intelligence. It is designed to move like a human with balance, coordination, and finesse. With a full range of motion in its limbs, Helix can grasp delicate objects without damaging them, open doors, climb stairs, and even perform gestures. Under the hood, Helix is powered by advanced neural networks trained on massive data sets. But what truly sets it apart is how these networks are integrated into a unified system that learns end-to-end. It doesn't need separate modules for vision, language, and action. Everything is intertwined, allowing for faster learning, better decision-making, and smoother interactions. Figure AI's approach with Helix is to create a general-purpose humanoid that can eventually perform any task a human can. That's an ambitious goal, but Helix is already proving that it's more than possible. The implications are enormous. In homes, Helix could become an indispensable helper, handling chores, cooking meals, or providing companionship. In healthcare, it could assist doctors and nurses care for patients and support mental wellness. In industry, it could fill labor gaps, enhance productivity, and operate in hazardous environments. Helix's emotional intelligence is also worth noting. It can detect human emotions through facial expressions, voice modulation, and behavioral cues. This emotional awareness allows Helix to interact in a more natural and supportive way. It's not just about functionality, it's about forming a connection. Imagine a robot that knows when you've had a rough day and responds with compassion. That's the kind of human-machine relationship Helix is making possible. Of course, with such a powerful system, ethical considerations are crucial. Figure AI is deeply committed to ensuring Helix operates safely, ethically, and transparently. There are robust safeguards in place to protect user privacy, data security, and human dignity. The speed at which Helix has evolved is astonishing. Just a few years ago, robots were limited to repetitive tasks in controlled settings. Today, Helix is navigating complex environments, learning dynamically, and contributing meaningfully to human life. This is not the future, it's the present, and it's unfolding right before our eyes. The road ahead for Helix is even more exciting. As it continues to learn and grow, its capabilities will expand. We're looking at a future where Helix-like robots are commonplace, in homes, schools, hospitals, and beyond. They will become partners, companions, and co-workers. Meet Helix, the mind-blowing robot that learns like a human. It's not just a technological marvel. It's a glimpse into a world where machines and people collaborate in ways we once only dreamed of. Helix is proof that the age of intelligent robots is here, and it's more extraordinary than we ever imagined.